बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajda Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islam School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.3, question number 3, part 1. Also there are solving of methods too. We are using the method middle term break method. Also there are types of algebraic expression. We are using the type for C. Bracket x plus a bracket x plus b bracket x plus b bracket x plus d bracket plus k x square. And also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, rearrange like brackets, this like bracket and this like brackets. So here will become x minus 2, then x plus 2, then x minus 3, then x plus 3. Minus 2x square. Now second, use left hand side of a square minus b square formula twice in curly bracket. Twice in curly bracket. So this and this bracket, not bracket, curly bracket, bracket x square minus, not minus, x square minus bracket 2 bracket whole square whole square curly bracket, then bracket x square minus bracket 3 bracket whole square curly bracket minus 2 x square. Then here again we need it. Before going ahead, we have one more possibility to solve this. Minus bracket not 4 bracket, then x square minus 9 bracket minus 2x square. Done this. Now here we needed to multiply both brackets, both left hand side. So here will become x square bracket x square minus 9x square minus 4x square minus 4, then x square minus 9 bracket minus 2x square, and we needed to multiply again x power 4 minus 9 x square minus 4x square plus 13 minus 2x square. And this. power 4 minus 9x square 4x is, sorry, here will become 36. So x power 4 minus 15x square plus 36 will be come here. Then break middle term. I have no space. That's why I needed to remove this. X power 4 minus 15x square plus 36. So I am removing this. You are understanding? It's hard, but it's only a little bit hard, not so much. When you will attend to me, you can understand easily how to solve this question. So that let's go ahead and break the middle term break. So x power 4 minus 12x square minus 3x square plus 36. Now here you know we needed to multiply. Square will become, common. X square will be common. X square minus 12 will be remaining. Then x square minus 12 will be remaining. Minus 3 will be come here. Here we needed 2x here we needed to equate 12 into radical square and 3 into radical 3 square. So here will become x square minus bracket 2 3 bracket whole square, then x square minus bracket 3 bracket whole square. Done this. Now here sixth step is again use a square minus b square, the square formula. So here will become x minus 2 3 with the plus minus x plus 3 2, then x minus radical 3, then x plus radical 3, and it's become our answer. The book answers are written, you can check it. First of all, x plus radical 3x plus radical 3x minus radical 3x minus radical 3x plus 2 radical 3x plus 2 radical 3x minus 2 radical 3 x minus 2 radical 3. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.